So when you look at this, you will think that, oh, actually the NFT market is falling. But that's not true. The reason being is this fall is because of the fall in the price of fungible tokens, which is Ethereum. So what essentially has happened is, if I am raising 1 ETH for my NFT collection, it's still 1 ETH. But because the price of ETH has become 1/3, so it was 4,000, now it's 1,000. So maybe not even 1/3, dropped by more than 1/3. The volumes seem to have shrunk. You'll be surprised to see that more and more venture funding has actually gone into NFT startups this year. And let me give you some examples. Like Estonia-based NFT port raises $26 million from investors. Here are some top NFT companies in 2021. So we have Dapper Labs that raised 386 million, and then SoRare 57, OpenSea 23. Let's look at this year. Now, funding for blockchain records startup hits a record of 9.2 billion in the first 3 months of 2022. This is according to CB Insights. And if you look at the numbers, 3.6 billion was raised by blockchain-focused startups. Out of that, 2.4 billion was for NFTs. That's the interesting part. So if you look at 2021, it was 3.6. In 2022, it's 9.2. Out of 9.2, 2.6 are for NFT startups. And the two most valuable unicorns that came into the NFTs was Yuga Labs and Immutable. Now, Yuga Labs, as we all know, they own the Bored Ape God Club, the CryptoPunks, and the MeBits, raising 450 million in funding at 4 billion valuation in this year, March 2022. And Australia-based Immutable raised 200 million at 2.5 billion valuation in March, which was led by Temasek, which is in Singapore. And if you look at, as on today, there are surprisingly 62 unicorns in the blockchain space with a valuation of at least 1 billion. And Hong Kong-based Animoca Brands is the most active investor in the first quarter of 2022. And they have been mostly investing in gaming, NFTs, and Metaverse. In the second place is Coinbase Ventures, and the third place is Pantera Capital. So NFT, actually, more and more investors are coming into this space. If you look at the size of NFT market, it's going to grow from 3 billion, which is currently, to 13.6 billion by 2027. That's a compounded growth rate of 35%. So we're going to see a growth rate from 2022 to 2027. And the major factors that are going to influence is, of course, the adoption. More importantly, NFTs are going to be used in gaming more so. And of course, celebrities are going to be coming in and pushing this further. Now, the demand for NFTs was actually 770,000 unique NFT buyers joined in January so far in this year. That's almost 2,500% jump from 30,000, which was reported last year. So all these numbers are telling us that the craze for NFTs has just begun. The volumes are down because the price of Ethereum is down. But I'll share with you, this is VGMI. It's a website where you can go and check all the prices of cryptos, NFTs rather, and you can see all the top NFTs, right? They're hardly down in the last 30 days. They're hardly down, right? While Bitcoin and Ethereum and all the other coins are down by 50%, 60%, 70%, right? But NFTs are hardly down, right? And some of them are even up. For example, here, Neo Tokyo identities, they are up by 120%. Damien Hirst currency up by 73%. So definitely NFTs are here to stay, and the hype has just begun, or I would say the craze has just begun. Happy to answer any questions.
Yeah, I think some questions are there that the community wants to ask. One of the person has asked that How can we understand metaverse in simple layman language?
Good question. So, metaverse is nothing but, I would say, digital world. And in the digital world, if you want to participate in the digital world, then you will need your avatar, your own avatar. Because right now we are talking, this is in 2D. Metaverse is all about 3D. So you need a metaverse. So one of the things is you will notice in the future, it will not be you, but it's going to be your avatar, which will be in Zoom meetings or in StreamYard, and everything will be within the metaverse itself, which means you don't have to leave the metaverse. Even if you have to order your food, you'll be ordering your food within the metaverse. Of course, it will be delivered in the real world because you still have to eat your food, but you don't have to leave the metaverse to actually order your food. There'll be people needed to, for example, metaverse architects, metaverse real estate agents, metaverse lawyers, metaverse fashion designers. All these jobs, all these businesses are going to be created in the metaverse.
Great, great, great. I think uh, this will clear many things that a layman would be coming and listening up. So we have another question. Someone is asking that how do I invest in the right NFT?
Right, NFT.
Yeah,
Um, that's a difficult question to be answered, Lalit. But what I can say is this: try and try and buy NFTs which has their founders doxed, which means they're not anonymous. So make sure
exactly.
that,
Exactly, like even Kishore, I always say that we are not financial advisors, but yes, it should be that one person should first do their due diligence on the NFTs or any part of crypto, and then only go ahead with the purchase. So it should be not that we are advising anyone, right?
yeah, absolutely correct. So this is definitely not a recommendation or an advice. What I do is, as far as NFTs are concerned, don't bet on the horse, bet on the jockey. So I guess who's the person behind the NFT? I think that's more important. Another thing is,
Exactly.
if that particular collection has done well, for example, Board Ape has done well, and then they came out with their second collection, which is the other side. Then you know, okay, fine. The first collection has done well. You're willing to kind of consider their second collection. So these are some of the things which I would suggest for you to look at.
Great. So, sure, one more question we have. This is question from Max. When do you think we will see the rise of utility NFTs?
I, the raise of, is he talking about fundraise? Is he talking about? I'm not really clear.
Yeah, but I think that what he must be willing to know that how NFTs will come in this utility sector instead of these virtual
Actually, they've
rise.
already it has already come, Lalit. I tell you a very good use case is authentication of luxury goods. For example, if I'm like, whatever this is, like a Tag Heuer, right? I'm wearing this Tag Heuer watch, right? How do I know if I walk into a luxury shop and that guy is not selling me a duplicate one, right? So
Right.
I can literally buy this watch, and at the back of this watch, there could be a QR code. So for example, just share with you, right? So here there'll be a QR code over here, and I could just scan this QR code, and this QR code will take me to the a website wherein it will show that this is authentic. This is an
The
authentic watch.
details of the NFT can be the product can be seen over there, and he can easily judge it whether it is a legit or not.
Correct. And then what can happen is that particular details is going to be NFT'd. And
Exactly.
then I will be selling the NFT instead of the actual watch. So this is going to be the future.
Yeah, in fact, Max has cleared his question. He said that what I mean is, when do you think we will see the rise of utility NFTs like tickets?
Okay. So, I mean, if you really look at it right now, the NFTs which are actually doing well are the ones which have got utility. If it's just NFTs for the sake of, for example, just membership, right? A classic example is Gary Vee. Gary Vee's NFT has got utility as well. It's a community, it's a membership, but it also has a utility, right? So you can attend his VCon conferences, you can get all latest NFTs through him because he has got this huge network. So you can get whitelisted with other NFT collections because of Gary Vee. So as long as there's a utility, those NFTs will definitely have value and it'll go up. So right now, all NFTs which have utility are actually doing well.
Right. Kishore, we have one more question. I think even I can easily answer him. He wants to know that what is the minimum amount I can invest in NFTs. So I think it's not about the minimum amount. The all NFTs are based on biddings. So it's up to you that even you can bid it for 1 cent, but if the other person is bidding against you as $1, then definitely if you want to get that NFT, then you have to again rebid that for $1.1. So I think this should be the answer. What do you say, Kishore?
I guess he just wants to know, like, if I'm just a beginner, if I want to start, how much. So you can actually invest in NFTs depending on your budget. Some NFTs are available for 0.1 ETH, and some NFTs are available for 1 ETH. But there are a lot of free mint NFTs. For example, CryptoPunks was a free mint, right?
Ye-
I think Goblin, the latest Goblin NFTs was free mint, if I'm not mistaken, right?
Yes, that was also free minting.
Correct. So there are a lot of free mint NFTs. The only thing that you need to do is pay for the gas. Now, if you think that's also expensive, then you can go for a Solana NFT, or you can go for a Polygon NFT, or a Binance NFT, where the gas fees are very, very, I would say, affordable. So I think those are some of the things which you may want to consider to
Right.
begin with.
Yeah, in fact, Kishore, this is the next question that we received from Manish. That which wallet I need for NFTs, Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, etc.
Okay, so here's the thing. If you're a little bit confused about which wallets and all, you can always buy NFTs from exchanges, right? So nowadays, a lot of exchanges are also selling NFTs. You can just buy and you can have them kept over there. But if you really want to have them in your wallet, then I would say some of the wallets are like MetaMask. You can have them for Ethereum-based NFTs. If it's Solana, then maybe a Phantom wallet. If it's Cardano, then maybe you could. I don't know. It's. Hold on, let me check which one do I use. I think I use Nami,
Nami.
right? Right. So
Yes.
these are some of the wallets which I guess you may want to consider.
Great. 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 I think there are no more questions, and I think community would be happy, and they must have, as a layman, also they must have learned many things from you. Even, Kishore, I'm always amazed by your statics that you bring on, because these are the eye opener statics that whenever I see your figures, it's like amazing. The- It
Yes,
was
yes,
really
absolutely.
nice to see those figures again.
Yeah. So if you're a beginner, guys, don't try to connect your wallet to any NFT collection out there, because you can be scammed. So as a beginner, I strongly recommend maybe you could start off by buying on an exchange or on a INO platform, which is the initial NFT offering platform, because they usually make sure that everything is proper and you will not get scammed. Or once you get experience, then you could go to some other platforms, like well-known platforms like OpenSea, and then of course there are others as well, Rarible. So you could consider them as well.
Yes, it is great. Anyways, I think there are no more questions coming up, and many thanks for being here, Kishore, for giving your valuable time and information to the community. I think the community would be happy to get this knowledge.
Thanks, Lalit, for inviting me.
You're most welcome. Thank you. Thank you, Kishore. Yeah. So now it's the turn of our next speaker, who is Mr. Alex. And what I saw, that they are another bringing up project, which is a life turning project, because uh, you know it is what project they have created is as easy as transferring the crypto from one person to another person, and the lowest value that you can transfer from one wallet to another wallet is no one can imagine, which no one is giving. It's just a $1. And I think, Simon, let's welcome Alex over here.
Hello, hello. Thank you very much for this opportunity to participate. Special hello, special thanks to my friend Lalit. Glad to see you again.
Welcome,
And
welcome back, Alex. And I think first I'll give you a brief introduction about you to this community. Uh, my friends, meet Mr. Alex. He's one of the co-founder of a new project, like I mentioned. It's IME, and he has been into this crypto industry since 2016. He is a PhD in economics, and he's really a professional entrepreneur with, I think, 15 to 20 startups in this IT sphere. And before this getting into this crypto industry, he was handling many IT startups. And I think now, more about himself, we will be happy to listen from Alex, and about his journey over here, and about the project, the beautiful project that they had brought up. And I really like that project. So over to you, Alex.
thank you. Thank you very much for this introduction. Yes, we have created IME in order to help all the people to start use crypto, because I remember how hard is to begin, because you need to study, you need to understand special things, and if it's not your if your education is different from mathematics and economy and or computer science, sometimes it's very complicated. So that's why we created IME. IME, it's a messenger based on API of Telegram. But inside of this messenger, we have very convenient and very secured non-custodial crypto wallet. So you can easily send crypto to your grandmother or to your son without asking what is your wallet address, my dear friend. So you can send crypto in habitual interface of Telegram, and crypto goes directly to blockchain from the application. So right now, IME is a super app with a lot of functions, a lot of cool perks Telegram doesn't have. 1 year ago, we started with application based on API of Telegram with built-in non-custodial crypto wallet. But now our application is very, very powerful. It's like people call our application Telegram on steroids, because it's so so interesting and so professionally oriented for many user patterns. So besides of non-custodial crypto wallet, we have also translation things. We have also better sorting options for Telegram channels, for Telegram groups. We have better options for using cloud of Telegram, for listening music and watching video, and sometimes for learning different languages. We have donation system, crypto boxes, etc., etc. It's hard to explain in so short presentation the whole spectrum of our features. But right now, I can assure you that IME is the simplest and most native way to start with crypto. That's why I can say that we are doing mass adoption of the crypto, because we offer people not to study a lot. We offer people start to use some crypto features they want immediately after downloading IME application. If you download IME, you will get the same groups, the same chats, the same channels like in your original Telegram. And right now, Telegram has more than 1 billion of users. So, but in IME, you will have all these contacts, all your friends, of your workers or sole workers, etc., etc., co-workers and family members, but in a better environment. And the crypto section is already connected, so you can easily send crypto to your grandmother. And also we have a lot of integrations like PancakeSwap, already integrated in IME, Uniswap, already integrated in IME, and Binance integrated in IME. And a very cool feature also is integrated, it's Binance Pay. And actually, IME is the only one company in the world. Binance created API especially for us to be integrated in our application. So using Binance Pay, you can send a very small token like Shiba Inu token with zero commission to your friend. Sometimes it sounds amazing because how it's possible, but with the integration of Binance Pay, it's possible. And if you want to send crypto, you can use two ways of sending crypto with IME crypto wallet, using normal way of sending crypto, using blockchains like Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, or Polygon, or with use of Binance Pay. The crypto goes directly to the user of Binance Pay, and you don't pay any commission. It's zero commission for you, as everything in IME has zero commission. So if I can share the screen, if it's possible, by your configuration. Yeah, I think it's possible. Yeah. Window. So I hope you can see the screen I'm sharing to you. So I will continue with this illustration. So right now, we have more than 6 millions of users and more than 7 millions of downloads worldwide. We have IME application for Android users, and we have, of course, IME application for Apple users. So you can easily find our application in App Store and Google Play. And also we have 1 million of activated wallets in our platform, and more than 45 different partners connected together. They use our application, they use our user base for their needs, So we can say that our ecosystem is growing very fast because during 1 year we got about 50 partnerships with popular crypto projects, and some projects are from industries like DeFi, and some projects connected to gaming world or betting world. So it's a huge ecosystem of different types of partners and companies. So this is the numbers, and I can say that sometimes we have very lucky days for IME when we have up to 25,000 daily downloads. The last lucky day for us was when Binance made a tweet about our integration, about Binance and IME integration. So during 1 week, we had more than 20 or even 25,000 daily downloads. So I will stop it. And I wanted to say also that our IME application has non-custodial crypto wallet, and I wanted to say that it's really important. It's very important for everybody. If you use custodial wallet, it means that your tokens are in the hands of other persons or other people, other companies. So I recommend you to use non-custodial crypto wallet. Sometimes it's a bit more responsible for you. You need to be more responsible, and you need to a bit educate yourself about what does it mean seed phrase, or what is private key, and why shouldn't I send my private key to anybody. But it's not very easy times for crypto world right now, so it's better to keep your crypto in your hands, not to give it to other persons. If you want to use your wallet on different websites like Web3 applications or DeFi dexes, you can easily use non-custodial crypto wallet IME using our Wallet Connect integration, because we have Wallet Connect integrated inside of our application. So you can easily connect to any websites, any of thousands of Web3 applications, gaming, DeFi, DEXs, liquidity providers, etc., etc. And you can use IME wallet in very secure and very convenient way as your identificator. So you can connect and disconnect from different websites. And what else can I say about mass adoption? We are doing mass adoption because we are offering people to start with crypto very easily. We offer them to download IME, to feel that their experience is not too complicated, and that it's very comfortable for them to use our application, because the interface is common. It's like interface of Telegram. It's very habitual interface for a lot of persons, I think for everybody, because right now almost everybody has Telegram in his mobile phone. So we offer them to start using crypto, and we know their common errors, what they can make if they use other types of wallets and exchanges, etc., etc. So private key is protected by PIN code. and it's stored locally on the device of user. So we don't see what's inside of crypto wallet. We cannot change anything, and every modern smartphone is very secured. So it's as secured as a normal computer, as a normal notebook or laptop. So we use a private key which is stored on your mobile phone, and this private key is also encrypted and protected by PIN code. So if you install IME and create crypto wallet, you can easily write down your seed phrase and keep it secure somewhere on a paper. And you can easily export your wallet, or you can easily import existing wallet to IME. For instance, if you have IME and if you want to use the same wallet in MetaMask or in Ledger or in any other non-custodial crypto wallet, you can easily extract your private key using your seed phrase and use it in any other non-custodial crypto wallet. So my advice to everybody: do not use custodial wallets. If you have any questions and answers, I will be ready and I will be happy to answer all the questions. And thank you very much again for this brilliant opportunity for us to tell the world about IME. Thank you very much.
You're muted, Lalit. Lalit, you're muted.
Yeah, Alex, we have some questions from the community, and I think community will be happy to get answers from you live about your platform. So they some questions are the person has asked that what are the difficulties that you are facing for mass adoption in this industry at the moment?
I think that main difficulty is education. I mean, the lack of education. A lot of people want to do something with crypto, but they're sometimes too lazy to read the basis, and they're too lazy to read papers. They want to do something very quick, to buy or to sell or to play. But sometimes it's necessary to spend several minutes or maybe a half of hour just to read what do I do and what should I do and what I shouldn't do. So that's why I think that the main difficult is this lack of education. So I ask everybody to educate, and I think the topic of crypto for this year is educate yourself, because it's very, very important.
No, definitely, Alex. It's pretty important for everyone to understand what crypto is prior investing into it, and but still, even I had checked your platform. So one question I received that. What is the minimum and maximum amount of funds they can transfer within the wallet of IME?
As I told, IME, it's non-custodial crypto wallet. So you can send a fraction of Ethereum, a fraction of even Polygon, or you can send fraction of one Shiba Inu token, very small one, because we use Binance Pay to all our users all these zero fee transactions. But if you use normal blockchain, which is also installed in IME, I mean Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Polygon, you should remember that every transaction requires a bit of gas. Sometimes gas is very, very not very cheap. So sometimes it's better to use Binance Pay. But if you want to send crypto using normal way, blockchain, you should think, is it okay for you to spend a lot on gas and send this small amount of token? With IME, you can send there is no minimum and there is no maximum because we are non-custodial crypto wallet. We don't know our users. We don't do KYC because we are non-custodial crypto wallet. We don't have connections with fiat. We have only one possibility to buy crypto from fiat using our Simplex integration. It's the ability to buy crypto using credit cards, and it's powered by a third-party provider, by Simplex. So as a non-custodial crypto wallet, we don't have minimum and we don't have maximum.
Great, great. Another question is there from Max. Simon, can you highlight it? How is the visibility of the users' wallet IDs for your contacts, non-contacts? Is this first-party data stored in a centralized server?
No, we don't store anything. We have a connection. It's a one-time connection between Telegram handle and wallet address. So if person starts transaction, we for instance, you want to send crypto to your friend and you know the Telegram handle. So we search for this Telegram handle and we search the connection between Telegram handle and the wallet address. And after that, the transaction goes to blockchain. If we don't know the wallet address of this Telegram user and we don't know the wallet address of this Telegram handle, the transaction will not go, and you as a sender will get a warning that user with this Telegram handle didn't activate it, not yet activated his crypto wallet, and in order to get your crypto, he needs to activate crypto wallet inside of IME.
Okay. Okay. And one question is there that the person who is creating this wallet, downloading this your IME, then how is it privatized? I mean to say that I think the person wants to know whether it is being secured by a private key or with the seed keys.
I didn't get your question, but I fully.
I think what person wants to ask that when you are installing your IME Messenger, like you said that this is a wallet, crypto wallet, right? So
Yes.
how this crypto wallet is secured? Is it secured by keeping a private key or seed keys like hardware wallets?
Private key can be extracted using your seed phrase. Seed phrase is just a method to encode your private key and give you opportunity to memorize it, because for human brain it's easier to use words instead of numbers and letters. So if you have private key which is stored inside of your mobile phone, with seed phrase you can export your private key and transform it to another wallet. But IME, as a company, as a team, do not see this private key, and we don't know your seed phrase. We don't know your private key, we don't know your seed phrase, and we don't have the ability, even in theory, to extract this information and to send it somewhere or to store it somewhere. So it's absolutely secure. And we have two audits about the security of our application.
Okay. And one question has come up. It's that a person wants to know that you mentioned even one Shiba can be transferred, but how did you manage such a low crypto?
Yeah, I understand. That's a good question, and I will try to explain one more time. if you want to send crypto using IME wallet, you can send crypto using blockchain like Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Polygon. But with the help of Binance Pay integration, you can send crypto in using centralized method, using Binance Pay. For instance, I'm user of IME, and you are also user of IME, and we both have Binance and Binance Pay. We are both users of Binance Pay. So within this system, Binance Pay, we can send crypto to each other using zero fee. So I can send you one Shiba Inu token with zero fee commission because it goes centralized using the power of Binance. And Binance has a lot of users. So there is a very big probability that user of IME is a user of Binance Pay. So if we see that I'm user of IME and I'm user of Binance Pay, and you user of IME and you use also Binance Pay, we can make this transaction centralized. We can perform this transaction centralized. Instead of going to blockchain, this transaction goes through Binance with zero commission. So it's just another way to send crypto using Binance, like from one account of Binance to another account by one account by one account on Binance to another account on Binance, but using IME.
Yes, great, great, great. Also, there is one more question. Uh, People wants to know that do you have crypto also, or I mean to say, this person wants to ask, do you have your native coin also?
Yes, of course. We have our native token with the name Lime. It's like LIME, Lime, and it's a native token of our ecosystem, and it's a fuel of our ecosystem. This token has a lot of utilities, and it's very important that the number of utilities is growing because right now you can use Lime for donations. Let's say if you are a content creator or owner of the channel in Telegram, you can use our donation systems, and you can get the reward in Lime in our native tokens. So you can monetize your content, you can monetize your Telegram or group using donation system. Also, we can offer you to use crypto boxes. It's another very interesting and very powerful solution for content creators in Telegram, and it's also powered by Lime tokens. Also, using Lime tokens, you can get some benefits from our partners. You can stake Lime tokens and participate in different airdrops of our partners. You can use our Lime tokens to be first users of different games and different platforms IME is connected with. So you can go to our website and see how many utilities has our Lime token.
Great, great. So, also, uh, how do you this the idea came up by cloning a Telegram?
Telegram is not only a messenger; it's a huge ecosystem, and the best thing I love in Telegram, it's most secured messenger, and it has open API. It's open source and it has open API. In theory, everybody can build an application based on Telegram API. WhatsApp or Signal and other messengers do not have neither open API, neither open source. Telegram has both. So it's secured. It's most secured messenger in the world, and it has open API. So our developers, super cool professionals, because Telegram open API is a bit tricky to start coding in. It has like I can say it uses a special language, especially created for Telegram. So right now, IME it's the second most popular application for Telegram after the original Telegram application.
Great, great. It's really an being running an development company. Even I can understand that how tough the situation was. But the idea behind your concept is really beautiful of cloning and Telegram and supporting people who are using Telegram. And I think in this crypto industry, when these people the crypto enthusiastic people, because most of the people are moving towards Telegram, and I think that there would be very soon that you would be seeing IME Messenger is like having millions and billions of users all from Telegram, because it's a one platform where they can chat and where they can transfer crypto.
Yeah. And we are not a competitor for Telegram because we use their user base. So we are like Telegram with some cool perks and with better options for crypto section and for other professional use cases of Telegram. So I can say that IME it's not for everybody, but it allows everybody to be a bit more professional in the ecosystem of Telegram.
Yes. No, it's a really a cool idea, because even I just downloaded this your IME app while talking to you and listening to your uh, project, and I can see that it's the people in my contacts who had installed this IME app. It's easy for me to send crypto if I wanted to, by just clicking on their names, and if they have their wallet created into IME app. It's
Yeah.
really a nice one.
Yeah, and it's only one cool feature, and we have, I think, more than 20 cool features. You shouldn't. I do not recommend try to all the features of IME in one day. It's better to educate yourself step by step. Our mechanics is not move to earn, but use to learn. We don't pay anything for using our application like Step N and other cool applications. We offer our users to start using some features they never tried to use before in very native and very comfortable way for them.
Great, great. So I think there are no more questions that have come up from the community, but definitely the last question I would like to ask is, what are your future plans for IME app? Because I really see this as an interesting project, but still uh, the whole community would like to know about the future plans and your perspectives about this.
Thank you for this question. I just wanted to say that in the last version of IME, we opened NFT section. So we will continue developing NFT section. It will be a NFT marketplace inside of IME. And we also have a lot of cool ideas for this year. If you download IME now, and if you download IME in 6 months, it will be the huge difference, because right now we have more than 30 team members, and they are all busy developing new cool features. So our goals are to have more users, to have more cool partners, and to have more cool features for both of them, for users and for partners. So it will be a very fantastically great ecosystem with all the users and partners connected together as a very friendly family.
Great, great, great. So I think we will end the session over here. But definitely, if Alex, you want to convey any other message before ending the session, it would be great. And definitely, the community, if they have any questions and they are following up the link, uh, please drop your questions over here. Even after the session, we will ask Alex personally to get those answers, and one of his team member or he would be happy to answer those.
Yeah, thank you. My last message is just I wanted to thank you again for this opportunity because we cannot achieve this goal to have more users without you. And I just offer everybody to start using IME just to try, because it's really impressive application, and with a lot of cool features and habitual interface and highest simplicity to use. Thank you very much. Thank you,
Great.
Lalit, for this opportunity to participate in your cool event. And
Thank you, Alex.
see you. Have a nice
Yeah.
day, everybody. Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you. Thanks, Alex. And now we have another session, but fortunately, Mr. Alexander, who was to represent and tell us about El Salvador and how this Bitcoin adoption was to happen, his flight got a bit delayed, so he won't be able to join us. But we have the next speaker, Michael, with us from Market Making Pro, and we will be asking him to share his thoughts.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, Mike.
Hi, Lalit. Can you see and hear me well?
Yes, Mike, we can hear you. And welcome to the show over here. And we are really happy and great to see you with us for speaking and telling us more about your uh, platform, Market Making Pro. But I'll just give a small background of you and Market Making Pro, that Mr. Michael with his team, they had started this consultancy agency in 2016, and I have been like personally knowing him from 2017 when we met, and he's also a part of Threefold Foundations and many more projects. They are coming up. They do support projects for market making, and also these days they have their own launch pad for the people who are really interested in doing their IDOs. So over to you, Mike, to let people know more about you rather than from me.
Yeah, no worries. Yeah, thank you so much for the intro. First of all, I wouldn't love to pay too much attention at what we're doing and what is the current focus. And just like the short heads up, as Lalit mentioned, we started as the consulting agency, and then since that, we've been developing the different services. And market making is one of the things which has developed and improved since 2017, and we've seen a lot of tokenomics, a lot of different models and quite cool concepts. And over time, which is the cool thing, we were able to see how things are getting better and better. Well, however, as you can see, due to the latest let's say, events and things happening in the market, we still can say that it's quite early on one hand side for crypto, and we have to be conscious about what we're doing. We need to study all the tools and all the different elements and how they work and how they interact with each other. But I would like to divide the perspective into two different ones and how we have to approach it as individuals on the first hand side, and as well as what can we do as the companies to make the space better. At the same time, I have to earn money in the proper way and to give an opportunity for the other people to earn, because that's why we're here. So yeah, it's been quite a journey. We like it a lot, and since that time, a lot of people are confused right now and say, "Hey guys, you doing market making?" And that's it, pretty much from the name of our company. But right now, we are more like the accelerator and incubator. We are investing in the projects ourselves, discovering different markets. We do have a launchpad and farming platform. We do have our own token as well. So right now we kind of decided to diversify the product line we had, and that gives us a very good opportunity. And the network we gathered over the time is quite interesting. So we can collaborate on the different things and cases. Let's say usually we house the projects in the very early stages, and sometimes the project just comes to us and asks for our advice on how to approach the building the right tokenomics in a proper way, what to do and what not to, as well as being the market maker puts the responsibility on us on understanding how to approach the trading process as well. Yeah, so that's probably the shortest I could tell about what we're doing as the Market Making Pro company. I'm always open to your question, guys, and I hope Lalit you here. So I would really love to hear your opinion as well, and how do you see the market, and maybe not how quick we're going to recover, but just to discuss a little bit more on what is the best thing to do now as the company and as an individual, and what are those, let's call them the safe islands to go to during these times, because right now we have a lot of people, a lot of newcomers through 2020 to end of 2021 and 2021 itself as well. So most of the questions I receive usually from the people not crypto related is like, what is the best thing to start with? Well, what are your thoughts?
Definitely, this market first, I would like to know from you, because you are the one who is running a launch pad and inviting people, projects for IDO. So, what are your suggestions for those projects, those who are really keen to launch the IDO? What you would
So
suggest
okay.
them that how they should appear in the market, and what are the things they should cater before jumping into the market to raise the funds?
Okay, I would say right now it's going to be quite harder to raise the funds for sure, due to the various number of factors, and of course the last situation happened to 3 hours capital is one of the proofs that sometimes the money invested and the way the money has been invested, um, probably not the they were not invested with the best risk management approach, in my opinion. However, what I see for the launchpad as for now, since it's summer, most of the liquidity is up from the market. And as for now, I see few listings going on. Some of the launchpads are still doing the IDOs and IDOs. But right now, the community and most of them who do trust the project and who do follow and who still participate, I would strongly recommend personally to diversify the risks as much as possible and to understand how much of the resource you have in order to understand that sometimes you might have to wait maybe like